We wanted to give you 4 important tips from your Kansas City family-owned and operated associated contractor with James Hardie Fiber Cement. When doing a siding replacement job in Kansas City, there's 4 things that you have to do. You have to make sure that you are safeguarded. Always have your contracting company send you their rider policy of their $2 million workman's comp policy. Why? Because when guys are up this high hanging fiber cement, if one falls, usually there'll be 2 guys on that board, and there'll be 2 guys fall, and you want them protected for their safety, for your safety, so that everything is done the right way. And then there's 3 things that you will live with when doing a siding replacement project. The quality of products. James Hardie pre-colored fiber cement siding is the best quality product on the market. Remodeling Magazine had it as the #1 return on investment for the last 8 years in a row in their infamous cost versus value report. Builders Magazine has James Hardie pre-colored fiber cement as the best quality exterior lap siding product for the last 13 years. Wow. And then the quality of installation. In Kansas City, the longest lasting crew that specializes in James Hardie pre-colored fiber cement is ran by Dalton. We are blessed and privileged to have him a part of our Vantage Point team. These guys have been installing James Hardie pre-colored fiber cement every day for 9 years. They don't do vinyl siding and roofing and decks and this and that. No, yeah, I can do that too. No, they hang cement, pre-colored cement per James Hardie installation audit requirements every single day. So when other contracting companies are selling you a great job, just remember, the job's only going to be as good as the guys that are installing it, right? And we got the very best. So you got the best product, the best installation, and finally the cost. The cost of the product is what you live with. We are a family-owned and operated company. We don't need some big storefront. You don't need that to be reputable. We're Angie's List 2012 Super Service Award winner. It's me and my wife that come on out and talk to you. Whenever there's a phone call or issue, you call us. We're proud of that fact, and we handle all the James Hardie installation audit requirements. You can see here above the plate that the electrical outlet is in, that 1/4 inch gap. That's important, guys. If moisture ever gets behind the panels, the stucco panels by James Hardie, has to have a point to get out. You see that space? They have the back board on the deck pulled up. They do that because they have to. You got to Z-flash it with that coil. That PVC flashing has to be a Z-flashing, then they're going to put back the board, and then you're going to have a 2-inch exposure. So right here is a 2-inch exposure before the fiber cement. That's so that it's installed properly, so you have your James Hardie installation warranty intact. You know, if it's not installed correctly, there's no manufacturer's product. There's no manufacturer that backs their product, I should say, if it's not installed correctly. We proudly cut the cement above all horizontal band boards to carry that 1/4 inch gap. We proudly use Hardie House Wrap. It's the best moisture barrier. It's the last part of the protection before a home. If moisture ever gets behind there, don't you want the best wrap that's going to keep the moisture out of your home, or do you want to take a chance of mold? Do you want something, the wrap that's going to give you home the best ability to breathe, or do you want to use something that's not as good because your contractor would rather save $30? All these nail heads are going to have to be touched up. Do you want them to use Sherwin-Williams paint and Benjamin Moore paint, where you're going to see those marks? Or do you want to use James Hardie pre-colored fiber cement paint touch-up kits so that you don't see those blemishes and you have a maintenance-free system? We're proud of the way we do things here at Vantage Point Exteriors. Give us a call if you're interested in dealing with a James Hardie house siding specialist company, a family-owned and operated business here in Kansas City that will proudly install the best product in America, James Hardie, by the best installers in Kansas City at the right cost. Give us a call anytime, 816-668-7240, 816-668-7240, or visit us on the web at VantagePointExteriors.com. We would love to talk to you about your exterior siding replacement project.